have booked an island helicopters tour on a helicopter that's going to take us over the island of Kauai so we can kind of get a visual where we're at. They're going to show us a bunch of really cool things and the island, and we're excited. We are here, and I will leave the information in the description how you can book this excursion. It came highly recommended. We decided to go with Island Helicopters because they came highly recommended from my travel partner's getaway today. And also because we wanted to do something that was unique to Kauai. A lot of things here on Kauai are best either seen from the air, or you cannot have access to them unless you take a helicopter ride. So we chose Island Helicopters. They have different tours. The tour we're doing, we're just kind of flying over the island. We will go by Jurassic Falls, which was in the movie Jurassic Park. They do also have a tour where you can land and you could actually go to the waterfall. So that's not the one we're doing, but that is an option, just so you know. We boarded the helicopter for our Grand Skies tour of the island. We soared above Kauai and saw the most breathtaking views that you can only see from the air. Our local pilot from the island pointed out all of the famous must-see locations while flying through the air. I will label many of the magnificent landmarks that we saw as we fly over them in this video. Sit back and enjoy the ride as I take you along to see majestic mountains, cascading waterfalls, and the most beautiful Hawaiian island of Kauai. Wow, that was so much fun. I can't tell you, I have done a helicopter ride before, and this experience is just amazing. The views are incredible. So we actually got right back off the helicopter and came directly somewhere so we could get some drinks for the kids because two of them got a little nauseous. So I took some Bonine, which is like anti-nausea medication, because I knew I would get a little motion sickness, and they should have taken some, but they still had a great time. But I will tell you that if you are prone to motion sickness, you definitely need to take something if you're doing a helicopter tour. But aside from that, we had an amazing time. The views were so incredible, like things that you can only see from the air. Like we saw the wettest place on earth. We saw so many different waterfalls. We got to see where they filmed different movies, not only Jurassic Park, but also like Jungle Cruise, the South Pacific, Hobbs and Shaw, different movies they filmed around the island. That was really fun. Our pilot was awesome. He spoke to us like while we were touring around the island. The tour was about a 45-minute tour, and we got to see, like, we did a huge circle like around the island. So now when we go and do things during our trip, I'll be like, okay, so remember when we saw this? We saw Waimea Canyon from up above. Well, now we're gonna go see it from ground level. Anyway, so highly recommend island helicopters for your helicopter tour. I will put a link in the description where you can book your tours through Island Tours, and I hope you have a fantastic time if you decide to do that. But make sure you take some motion sickness pills if that's something that you're prone to. Up next, we are going to go do another excursion which involves water and tubing, and I'm excited about that one as well.